Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adanna. I'm a particular YouTuber based in Nigeria. If this is your first time of seeing my video, guys, welcome, and I hope you love it here on this tribe. But if you're returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. So today, without wasting much of your time, I'm here to teach you how to make your orange juice without an extractor or a juicer, and also without a blender. So if this is a video you will love to see, watch it to the end.
All the ingredients you will need is just a glass cup, your mason cup. Yes, this the squeezer, I got this from Nest Cash and Carry for 1,000 naira. So this is what gets your juice done. So you don't need a blender, you don't need a juicer. This is what gets the job done. And then you will need a knife to cut your oranges, and then just 5 pieces or as much quantity as you want. And this here, if you're in Nigeria, you know what this is. If you have a hammer, it's more preferable, but I don't have a hammer, so this is what I use at home every day. And guys, this is very easy to do. Like, this is just 100 naira orange, but in the absence of a pistol, please use a hammer. Use a hammer. I'll show you what I use this for. Just stay with me. For the pistol, I use the pistol to, this is what I use it for. You know why I do this? It's just to make sure that the orange is very soft, so I can be able to squeeze out everything in this orange. I hate to blend oranges just to make juice. Why? Because inside, while peeling it, I'll still show you. Inside, there's the plum. If you add the back of the plum in your juice, it's going to make it bitter, and I don't like that bitter taste. So to enable me get all the juice, I just use the pistol. That's why I said a hammer will be better, and go through all the oranges like